it barely fits in the frame. Hey, it's Joseph here. Today we are looking at another product from GVM. They have been featured on my channel for numerous times, and we are about to open up this box and test a few things out so you guys are aware of what this product is. So let's get to it. And first thing to do is to open this box somehow. We got a black bag inside of a box. So I just pulled out a black bag inside of the same size box. So yeah, I gotta unzip this one to open. It's fairly heavy, but the carrying case or the bag is quite well made. So inside of the box, we see one tripod, two tripods, and then one long box. They really like putting their logo everywhere, GVM. Anyways, let's open this one. So by this time, I'm guessing this is a trend. Two of everything. So it's kind of hard to see because I kind of dimmed the light. I'm sorry about that, but there are two chargers. Each of them are 15 volts and 5 amperes. That is 75 watts. So 75 watt each for these chargers. Did I say it was chargers? It's just a power supply. So 75 watt power supplies. And then as I open the flap, there are nice carrying case for these lights. And after these two bags of carrying case, it's a manual and some qualified certificate with some stuff that you shouldn't eat. So let's open up these carrying cases. I know you really can't see much since all of this is black. I promise soon we're gonna address this and you should be able to see more stuff. Here is one of the stand. And the legs are quite long compared to some of other tripods that I have opened. If I were to measure it, it is 2 feet long. So 2 feet long tripod in a folded position. And when you open it up, you kind of open it up this way. The legs fold out like so. Okay, once they fold it out, just lock it in place. And then undo the knobs on the top. Because the feet is really wide, it is able to stand quite more secure, and it goes pretty high. It goes up there. It is about 80 inches tall. You can probably make it a little bit taller by extending the legs. That is plenty high for me. Let me lower it so you guys could see it in the frame, and then open one of these cases. So I can open up the flaps like that, and you can see the LED beads in there. And then at the bottom, you'll see the mount, and you can just basically put it on the tripod. And on the back, it's got the logo and some familiar knobs that we can turn to control. It can be battery powered if you want to, and if so, you can just flip the switch that way, or just get powered by one of the power brick or the power supply and just connect over here. And also you have different knobs, and you can control the modes this way, arrow up and down, and you can just control the mode so that it talks to each other. So the two lights, the pair, will talk to each other. One becomes the master, the other one becomes the slave, and then you control on the master, and the slave will basically follow exactly the color temperature, color, that sort of thing. Or you can actually control it by the phone app. So I'll try to demonstrate some of those as we power this one up. Yeah, let's actually put it on. And undo the cable ties, connect the power, and then connect this end over here, and then switch it on. So that is on the 5% mark, as you can see on an LED screen here. And I can go to rotate, so I can just individually control and make it really bright. So this is just bouncing off the wall and completely burning out. You probably don't want it as bright. Yeah, very bright. And change the color temperature to more blue or white. So it goes up to 5600 Kelvin, or you can lower it down so that it is sort of the yellower light. It is 3200 Kelvin right now, so you can just choose wherever in between. In my case, I'll just leave it as 5000 and then lower the brightness so that it is not completely burning up. Yeah, and you can also cycle through different modes. Right now it is in a rotate, so I can just simply set it up and then go to master mode, so I can also set it up that way, change the channel, and then change the brightness if I wanted to. So I can set up the whole thing so that one becomes a slave to the master, and then you just change the brightness and everything else will follow as well. Or I can just set it to the app. Load up on my phone, and then on my phone I have this app, GVM LED App, and I can already see that BT LED light has come on, so I can connect to it. And once that is connected, I can just control the brightness on here with the app, or change the color temperature, go to different sort of mode. So HSI, where I can change the color wheel, so this goes all color as well. Change the hue, saturation, go to different scene, so it does weird things. I don't think I'm going to be using that, but that's possible. In my case, the simple method works. Just change the brightness and the temperature to be what I like, so 5000 again. And then if I want, I can just turn it off. And then when I come back to the scene, I need to turn on the light, I can just turn it back on. So simple, and it is all done through Bluetooth. So yeah, this is a simple introduction of the GVM light. The specific model's name is GVM 1500D or 1500D. It is a 75 watt unit, and it is bicolor, and the size is 270 by 418 by 40 mils. And I have been using GVM light all over my scene, so all of my videos are lit with GVM light that I have showcased on this channel before. If you're interested in this product, please use a link in the description. And if you have liked this short content, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.